Okay, so I'm talking record heat Friday and Sunday.
Wow.
I don't think we'll make it to a record on Saturday. The record high Saturday is
still
100.
hot.
Oh, it's going to be hot.
Yeah.
And then before all of that, there's an El Nino watch. So, okay, so let me
Fun
start with
times.
that. That's right, here we go. An El Nino watch, yeah, this has been issued. So here's the latest, okay? An El Nino watch is issued when conditions are favorable for development of an El Nino within the next 6 months. So here's where we are right now. We're trending out of a La Nina into an ENSO neutral. By April, we continue. Once we get up to this white line here, then we're in an El Nino. So by the mid to late summer, June, we're certainly looking, I should say July, mid to late summer, July, we're right up in an El Nino situation. Then we're climbing into a pretty decent El Nino as we head into the early part of the fall, let's say September. So what does all of this mean for North Texas this summer? So we're trending from an ENSO neutral into an El Nino. El Nino is just not a huge driver of Texas weather in the summer. There's no notable correlation between El Nino and is it going to be wetter than normal? Is it going to be cooler than normal? Is it going to be drier than normal? Is it going to be hotter than normal? There's just no correlation between an El Nino and rain or a lack of rain or hot temps or cool temps. But what we do have a good correlation on is tropical activity. It's definitely impacted. El Nino conditions can help limit tropical systems in the Atlantic. So that could possibly mean fewer than average hurricanes as we head into the upcoming season. So keep an eye on that and keep you updated. Right now, just some high thin clouds rolling across the area. Lows tonight, about 5 degrees or so warmer than normal. 55 tonight in Dallas, 54 in Fort Worth. Highs tomorrow, look at that, about 20 degrees warmer than normal tomorrow. 90 in Dallas, 86 in McKinney and in Denton, 89 in Fort Worth, 87 in Mineral Wells. Lots of 90s out here in far western sections of North Texas. That's what shifts in our direction during the day on Thursday. East Texas tomorrow, Tyler hits 80, Athens 82, 84 in Waxahachie, 86 in Granbury. And then a big pattern shift, a big pattern change starts to take place. High pressure creating record highs out in the southwest. That will continue to drift in our direction through the end of the week, through the weekend, and then right into next week. And as it does so, temperatures will go up. Record heat moves in this weekend, and I don't have any rain in my forecast. Now, I have a low chance March 31st and April 1st, but between now and then, none of the models, not one model, has a drop of rain in the forecast for the next 12 days. So, what are we talking about? Temperatures going up. Tomorrow, 19 degrees. Hotter than normal, we'll hit 89 tomorrow. Friday we'll hit 93. The record's 92. That's 23 degrees warmer than normal. Saturday, the record's 100. My forecast is 96. We'll be close. I don't see us hitting it at DFW. I certainly see some locations west of the Metroplex hitting triple digits for the first time this season. But record is 100. I'm forecasting 96. That's 26 hotter than normal. 26 hotter than normal on Sunday. The record's 93. My forecast is 97. Then we cool down Monday to 80, but that's still 9 degrees warmer than normal. So a big warm up with record highs this weekend. 54, dry and cool, light winds tonight. Tomorrow, lots of sunny skies. It'll be a sunny day, a dry day. We'll have low humidity and elevated fire risk tomorrow with that low humidity. Even with the light winds, we'll still have an elevated fire risk because it's just so dry and the air mass is going to be really dry. So any spark could create a big problem. So please take note of that. 89, that's the high tomorrow. There's the next 14 days. There you go, 90s Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 80s Monday and Tuesday. And then we jump right back up to 90. That is Wednesday, March 25. And then you look at the final 7 of the 14 days. I've got another 90-degree day there. Then I have 70s. So this weekend will just be plain hot. The following weekend looks pretty decent, warmer than normal, but at least it's in the 70s. And then we're back up into the 80 on that Monday after that. There's that chance of rain, Tuesday, March 31st, and Wednesday, April 1. Now, not all the models are in agreement, but the European, which is usually, well, it's almost always the best one of the bunch, it does have a little bit of rain, but I tell you, it's just not looking good. And, as you go through the spring, and if it's drier than normal, it almost always means a hotter than normal summer.